Hi guys, how you going? I've had something down there. Just going to show you my quick video of my little setup I've got here now. I've changed this around a bit, made it go that way instead of this way. You'll see on, where is it? Where did I put it? Oh, that's right. Yeah. You'll see on here, there is an arrow pointing that way. And that's supposed to be in there. That's where they belong. So it's supposed to be going that way. Right? But me, I've changed mine to so now I can sit here and go with my knife and let's take it up. My angle like that. That's going to be extremely sharp. Rightio. You'll see on here, you can show you this is fast cut and pan, as you can tell there. Right? That's on this one here, and then on this one you'll see it's a polishing compound, and that's from Drosco as well. You'll see that it does steel, stainless, copper and brass. And this one pretty well anything. Pretty well. Rightio. Now, Now we've done it on the actual grinder itself with the blades turned. Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to grab this here and we're going to rub that on here. We want a nice full thick area of it, just like so. Nice and simple. Done. That's the block you get. Sorry about the shadows and all that. Bloody light's in a bad spot. I should get the other light and set it up in here as well. I will eventually. See? Josco. Alright. Shout out to Josco. Good stuff. Alright. Now we've got it on the white. Now, all these are, is just grip tape. Just to stop it from moving. Makes it a bit more easier. Right, we'll get this one. The fast cut. Turn it that way. With the fast cut. Just rub it on there like so. Alright. On that road. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to use the fast cut, the grey / black. I call it both. And we're going to slowly from right down this very end of this bevel. See how that bevel comes up to there? We want to sit that there, and we're going to lightly bring it back. Keep bringing it back all the way to the tip. Same again. All the way to the tip. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll go another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sharp off. Just do a little bit of my finger off. Look at that. Can you see that? So, critics, there you go. She's good. Thanks for watching. Come back again for some more crazy acts. That'll work. Thanks guys, bye. Right guys, let's do a test to see how sharp this thing really is. Let's see how fine a cut we can do. Ready? Look at that. That's pretty small.